Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is your girl Pauline from my crafting pad. Just coming on to show a couple concepts that I've been working on. Thank you for checking out my channel. To all of my subscribers, thank you for continuing your support. If you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and join me in my process. Let's take this ride together. If you're watching this video, please hit the like and share button, hit the comment, and I thank you for watching. So, I have this concept in mind, and this is what I'm working with. And this is not on there as straight as I want it to be. I might have to go in and adjust this. Let's put this glue gun away. But yeah, so this is a concept that I'm working on, y'all. So what I have here is one of my CVS robes that I got last year. I took it out of the box and just placed it in there. And I got this set here. Oh, the glare, let's see. No, that's too dark. So I got this set from City Trend, also last year. Just placing that in there. This teddy bear I also got from Walmart last year. And Walmart or was it Walgreens? Yeah, it was Walmart, yeah. So take the price off here. So I've been watching everyone's channels. I'm not always able to comment because I'm watching on my TV, but I do like the comments. Everyone's doing a great job, and there. So yeah, it's getting close to that time, y'all. I'm ready to see what I can, how the season, this Valentine era is going to be for me. I'm getting ready. I'll be prepared, I hope. So, anyways, let's see. So yeah, so like I said, I got this here from Walmart last year, and everyone know these little chocolate hazelnut things that I got mine this year from Walmart, and this is a candle that I got from Dollar General last year. Yeah, last year. And I am thinking I want to use one of these cups. I'm really leaning towards that one. And then I'm also thinking the black to help bring some of that black out. go ahead and use this black one in here. I think I like the black one. So yeah, so this is the concept. And so you see, I just put around there this whatever this ribbon is. I don't know where I got this from. I had it for quite a while. I have no idea where I got it from, but I thought this would be nice with the robe to help bring that green out in the robe here. And yeah, this is the concept. So I'm going to put my thread in there. And let's see. I thought that I had some gold tissue wrap. But since I cannot find it, I'll go ahead and use my thread in here. Go ahead, my thread. And then that will be this concept. So, oh yeah, this will be the ribbon that I use. Okay, y'all, so I decided not to use any thread. Instead, I'm just using this tissue paper. It came in a pack like this. And I believe I got this from Home Goods a while back. I believe it was from Home Goods a while back. But anyway, so, and this is the bow that I'll be using on here. So yeah, so this is the concept. I tied the bow, not that you will see it. I might let a little piece of this hang down to blend in with the strip around there. So yeah, but so this is the concept for this one. And let's move this out of the way. I have another one here. Let's bring this one over. So this is the other one. This one here, I got this bowl from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time. I needed some bowls. So I went ahead and picked up a few. And then I thought, well, I can use these in a concept. So this is one of them, y'all. Um, Everything in here is Dollar Tree, except, let me rephrase that. Everything in here mostly is Dollar Tree and Walmart. So yeah, so the little stuffed animal came from Walmart. This is Walmart. This little candle in here is from Amazon. This is Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. And the scent therapy, I want to say I got that from Ollie's. I had it for a while, so I don't remember. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember. And this little gadget back here, I got this from Walmart last year. They had these on sale, and I got a heap of them. And it says best friend, and I left everything. I left it in the packaging. But yeah, I thought it would fit nice with this concept. It has the bowl, and it has the best friend. They can put their snacks or whatever in there, sit down, eat together, go on the beach, wherever they go and eat together. And yeah, I thought this was nice. So this is this concept, y'all. Okay. So I have one more. This is the last one that I'm going to show. And this one here is my orange baby. So cute. I like this orange teddy bear. So this here, I also got from Walmart last year. And the only thing that I have in here, the good sense stuff that we got from, well, I got mine from Hop Shell sometime last year when they had them on sale. And then right there, I have a bracelet that I made myself. So I've just put that in there. And then the candies, let's put a couple chocolate in there, a flour. And on the side here is a hand sanitizer. So yeah, so that is this concept right here. So y'all, those are three of the concepts that I've been working on. I think I have one more of the orange teddy bear that I'm going to try and do the same concept with. Um, I have one more of the red bowls. I might go and get some more of those bowls. I like those. They look pretty nice for a concept. And so yeah, so like I said, I got these from Dollar Tree, y'all. If anyone interested in them, they're nice and deep, and they're strong. They're not flimsy. They're strong. So go ahead and grab yourself some. Okay, uh, they were $1.25 or $1.50. Don't quote me. My pricing is off right now. Don't quote me. But I think it was $1.20, but no 25, but no more than $1.50. All right. So yeah, so this is what I have. So go ahead and give this video a like, hype it up for me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Come and join me in my process, and we can take this journey together along with all of the other basket makers that's on here doing such a wonderful job. I appreciate all of them. I learned a lot from them. And until the next video, God bless and see you.